Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, which is ACCA Concepts, Problems and Solutions. We are providing you the videos based on our educational services, and if you are in need of having some sort of the educational help according to your syllabus, and starting from grade 1 to 12 and beyond, obviously if you are especially for our Indian customers and also rest of the world. But the prime reason of actually producing these videos is to provide you a solid evidence and also a confidence in learning, gaining understanding about different concepts, especially related to accountancy and finance. And when we talk about accountancy and finance, ACCA is one of the best platform that serve the accountants and the professionals around the globe with the best of the understandings. And also the professionals are recognized globally when they work in accountancy and finance environment in any organization. So for educational SMM and M services, obviously what we talk about the accountancy and finance, we need to know about different international accounting standards. And when we talk about international accounting standards, they are all related to the formation of the financial statements at the end of the day. So with the help of this, or with the help of the understanding of the international accounting standards, you'll be able to actually get a solid foundation of forming the statement of financial position, statement of income statement, or even the consolidation working as well. So what we are actually providing right now is just some of the question based or exam based questions, so that you can get what is all about. And when we talk about when you talk about accountancy and finance, when we are talking about different concepts, in reality we are what we are need, we just want to have some of the what we have discussed in our previous videos. In the last two videos was about financial reporting international. Wednesday was conducted on Wednesday 5th December 2012, whereas paper F7 international fundamentals level skills module. Reading and planning is 15 minutes, writing is 3 hours. All 5 questions are compulsory and must be attempted. So we have gone through our first question, and the second question also we have gone through one of the part of the second question. The third question, or the continuation of the same question, requires us to form and prepare the statement of financial position for Quincy as at September 30th September 2012. That is a 10-mark question. When we have the trial balance in front of us, we can take out the information and we can adjust the information as per the notes which are relevant to the above trial balance, and we're going to form a statement of financial position, just adjusting the entries items as per the international accounting standards, and treating all the entries as such, and then it would be converted into a full-fledged statement of financial position. And then we can say that what is the current position of an organization when we talk about at the end of a financial year. So this is in reality, when you talk about from the paper perspective, from an educational perspective, obviously in real time, some of the standards, some of the requirements may vary, because you need to understand the real-time information as well, and you have to adjust those or make the corrections according to the requirement. But we definitely going to form what is the requirement of this question. And this question asks us about forming and statement of financial position. Statement of financial position includes the non-current assets, current assets, equity, current liabilities, and the non-current liabilities. And to fulfill the requirements, obviously we need to know what are the items included in each of the categories, so that we can put in. If you are able to memorize, first of all, that's fine enough. To first of all, you need to know in proper order, what is the order of actually putting out the items, and then you can also put in the financial information according to the said or relevant item. So when we are talking about Quincy is about a statement of financial position. Okay, so it is of 30th September 2012, and this is this and this is this. Assets. When we talk about assets, we must have the non-current assets, and in non-current asset it is property, plant and equipment, and also we need to understand, first of all, as per the trial balance, the property, plant and equipment is 57,000 is 57,000, that is 57,000. It's already been mentioned in the $57,000, and then you will able to work out, because we know that if we're going to work, for example, if it is working 1, I'll have to actually provide the working separately. We have done already in one of our questions, but just for the sake of this video and this example, we have non-current assets, land and buildings. Land would be this one, building would be this one, and carrying amount as at October 1, 2011 is 10,000, and building is 32,000, because we know that 40 minus 8, revalued amount, that is 12,000, that is 60 minus 12, so that would be 48,000, and then it is 16,000, that is 2,000. So building depreciation is 48,000 divided by 16, that is 3 years. So the transfer from the revaluation reserve to retain earnings in respect of excess depreciation as the revaluation is realized is realized is 1 million. That is 48 minus 32 over 16. The carrying amount at 30th September 2012 is 57 million. That is 60 minus 3. Okay, that is 57 million. So that is the carrying amount, 57 million, and then you have to add the plant and equipment. Okay, plant and equipment is carrying amount as at October 1, 2011. 83,700 is 33,700, so that is 50,000. So depreciation at 15% per annum is 7,500. So total would be 42,500. That is the carrying amount as at 30th September 2012. 42,500. Plant and equipment is 42,500. Building depreciation is what now? 42,500 plus 57. Then you can easily say that is the property, plant and equipment, because property was of 57 and plant and equipment was of 42.5, so the total would be 99,500. Okay, equity, financial asset, investment. Investments, this is pretty straightforward. Equity investments would be 15,700. This is as per the note 5. The investment had a fair value of 15.7 million as of 30th September 2012. There were no acquisition or disposal of these investments during the year ended 30th September 2012. So 15.7 equity financial asset investments are 15.7, so that would be 15,700. The total would be 115,200. Current assets, inventory, that is 24,800. That is as per 30th September 2012. As per the trial balance is 24,800. Trade receivables is 28,500. That is also in the trial balance. Bank is 22,900. So the total would be 56,200. 171, that is 400. This is what total assets. Okay, you need to remember the order of this current asset as well. First of all, it is inventory, inventory, trade receivables, bank. This is the order you need to remember. Equity and liabilities is the part which is after the equation, which is obviously current assets are normally capital plus liability. So this is equity plus and liability, and equity is what has already been provided. Equity shares of 25 cents each is 60,000. Then you have a revaluation reserve. Revaluation reserve is of equity financial asset investments, note 5. So that would be the revaluation reserve 17,000. Retained earnings are also being provided in the equation. No, retained earnings would be what? Retained earnings. Obviously, it has to be calculated with the help of statement of equity. If we want to calculate, I put it as working 2. Okay, this 1 and 2 are already been added. Now I have to calculate the retained earnings. So the retained earnings balance as at October 1st is 18,500. That is the balance, first of all. Then it is the total comprehensive income. We have calculated with the help of our last video, which is about the statement of comprehensive income. The value was 22,980, and we have transferred to retained earnings from revaluation reserve. Transfer to retained earnings would be 1,000. Okay, so dividend paid is 60,000 multiplied by 4 into 8 cents. That is 19,200. So again, that would be 23,280. 28,280, that is the value, 28,280. 28,280. So retained earnings would be 23,280, 23,280, 23,280. So again, that would be totaling all would be what, 100,280 first of all. Then we have non-current liabilities. Deferred tax working 3 would be appropriate. If I do it here, or I should do it, there is some sort of space available, I should do over there. And because the deferred tax can be deferred tax provision required is 5,000 multiplied by 20%, so that would be 1,000. And less provision brought forward would be 1200, that is from the trial balance, so that would be 200 is the credit to income statement, 200. Okay, so this is how you will be doing. Credit to income statement would be 200. So the deferred tax would be 1,000 initially. Then we have deferred revenue. That would be 800. Then this is 6% loan note, and also you can say that is of 24,420. Again, that is 26,220. Okay, current liabilities is trade payables. First of all, is as per the statement and as per the trade payables is as per the trial balance, which is 36,700, and deferred revenue is also 800. Current tax payable is 7,400, and then it would be 44,900, so that would be 171,400. So again the total would be this and this. So that is what the statement of financial position, and also this is all the values that need to be this one is equal to this one, so that means we have the workings intact and right. So this is how you need to calculate the statement of financial position, and this is a very important part of the financial statements, and or when talking about the financials in general. So you need to understand the different concepts, you need to understand the applicability of the different rules, so that you can easily tabulate the statement without any error. So this question needs to be completed within the time span of from the examination point of view. If you see that there is some sort of an extra time given to a video, that is understandable, because we are just working as in separate session. Because if you see that session is of normally 45 minutes to an hour when you're talking about ACCA or generally any other session, but the point is all the information need to be completed within the specific time given, so that you can easily complete it without any delay. So that is the crucial part. First of all, as an exam, if you are setting an examination, that is a crucial part, that you need to practice as much as possible these questions on your side, that when you are sitting in an examination, you can easily see what are the errors, what are the lackings that you need to cover with the help of your practice, with the help of asking more questions and understanding your enhancing your understanding towards financial reporting, even especially to the statement of financial position. So Quincy is done. If you have any other questions, if you have any other queries, you may ask for directly on these contact details, and you can directly contact on YouTube as well with the help of this channel or any other available channel. You can directly, or you can direct feed on Insta as well. So this is mostly the purpose of actually providing the videos, and I hope that we'll able to discuss each of the items as per the concept, as per the treatment, according to the international accounting standards as well, in somehow in other advanced topics when we are able to actually provide you more video, especially when you're talking about from the problem solving approach. So let's see what we can have as far as the other videos are concerned. So till then, till the next video, which would be probably related to, let's see if I can able to have mm, this paper to be considered for the next video or not. If it's the next question is about ratios and financial and operating performance, that are more theoretical one, we can discuss in detail how to approach the theoretical questions. But I believe so the all the other questions are quite short as far as or even small, not the extensive or the long questions. These are pretty much the short questions that need to be obviously handled. We're going to discuss the details as we're going to progress in our videos. So till the next video, hopes to see you again. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.